Assalamualaikum, this is Dr. Hafsaid Khan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about OET, like what is OET, how did I prepare, how much it cost, and I'm going to answer all those questions which I had when I was preparing for OET. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First of all, what is OET? As we all know that we need to pass English proficiency exam to appear in Plab 1. For that, you can go for IELTS or OET. OET is an occupational English test in which they are going to assess the communication skills of healthcare professionals who wants to work in English speaking environment. So the next question is, how much does it cost? It costs around 587 Australian dollars, that is 83,000 Pakistani rupees. Many people have asked me about paper format. So coming to the paper format, it has 4 parts: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Listening, it takes approximately 45 minutes. It has 3 sub parts: part A, part B and part C. Coming to the next part, that is reading, it also has 3 parts: part A, part B and part C. Part A takes approximately 15 minutes and part B and part C it takes 45 minutes. Coming to the next part, that is writing. This is different from other 2 parts. It has only one task. They're going to give you the case notes and you need to write a letter. Letter could be referral letter or discharge letter. And the fourth part is speaking. It takes around 20 minutes. In this part, you need to play 2 cards as a healthcare professional. Each card you need to speak for 5 minutes. The next and the most asked question about OET is, how much time did I take to prepare for OET? I think that differs from person to person and it depends on your basis and how much time you can give to your studies daily. I took around 25 days and I studied for 1 to 2 hours daily for the first 15 days and 3 to 4 hours daily for next 10 days. Now coming to resources which I used to prepare for OET. For listening, I used a channel on YouTube named as OET listening test. It has around more than 100 tests for practice. I used to practice 1 test daily from there. For reading, I had a book known as Jashan book. I practiced reading test daily. I used to practice 1 test daily from that book. And for writing, I used to write 1 letter daily and get it checked by my tutor. And for speaking, I had some speaking partners. I used to practice 1 or 2 calls daily with them. So how did I prepare for OET? As I told you guys earlier, I took around 25 days. I used to practice 1 listening, reading, writing and 2 speaking cards daily. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any help or information, you can contact me on Instagram. I leave my Instagram handle here. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz.